If you want me to react to your favorite artist, band, music video, whatever, just leave your request in the comments below the video and don't forget to the link. It is very important. Всем привет, это KK. So today I have another Jung Seung Hwan's music video that is called It's Raining. Last time I watched The Snowman and I loved the lyrics of that song. So unfortunately this music video doesn't have subtitles, so I found the lyrics in Korean in the comments below this music video and I translated them using Google Translate, and I don't like using Google Translate because, well, it's improved a lot since I was high school, but sometimes it doesn't give you a really correct translation. But in general, what it translated, it was understandable, so that's fine. The lyrics is less metaphorical comparing to The Snowman, and I love metaphors. I don't know why, just love them. And it is again a sad song. Does he have some positive songs? But anyway, Jung Seung Hwan, It's Raining. Let's watch. Oh, it's like a live recording. Interesting. I like beginnings of his music videos. They are nice. They're interesting. They create such atmosphere that makes you involved in this music video. I want to make it brighter. That's nice. 난 여전히 그런 핑계로 널 못 잊어. 대답 없는 너는 그게 대답일 텐데 또 습관처럼 내게 전화를 걸어. 이런 내가 싫다. 이제 와서 뭘 바라는 거 아냐. I can't understand if I hear it, the rain, or just my mind makes me think that I hear the rain because I see it. I love the chorus. I love how it sounds. 대답일 텐데 또 습관처럼 너의 기억 속에 살아. 내가 싫다. 사실 난 못하겠어. 아직 남은 널 지우기에 난. Speaking of the music, I like this song better than The Snowman, but still. The lyrics. 어떻게 널 다 잊어. 이렇게 선명한데 넌 나에게 모든 계절 모든 하루인데 비가 와서 그래 I expected something else, like that. I mean, I expected that there should be something more in the end. At the end, whatever. I like this song more than The Snowman, even though I want the lyrics to be more metaphoric, have more this hidden meaning, even when I translate it with a Google Translate. When I first heard the first note, I expected it to be kind of calmer, but the chorus, this is a great part because it's very emotional, it's very touching, and I like that this music video is pretty simple. There are few parts with Jung Seung Hwan sitting and looking in the rain, and the biggest part is just him singing, and we can see only his silhouette. It creates such atmosphere that you think that this person is honest, because even though he's kind of hiding, at the same time it's like he is telling you a secret that he always wanted to share with you. So you believe him, you believe in what he is saying. And I love the sound of rain. I like it in general, and it was the last touch for this music or the video. This is a great job. So thank you for recommending me this music video. And of course, thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.